Welcome back to the channel, guys. Earlier this week I dropped a short video on how to fade your beard and it smashed 1 million views on TikTok in just a couple of days, so I had to go on YouTube and drop a full breakdown. I'm showing you exactly what I did, what I used and why I used it, and how you can get the same result at home. Apologies guys, I'm a bit under the weather, so please look past my croaky voice. I'm using the Stylecraft Rebels clipper with a notch lever and the wire part comb. Both are linked in the description if you want them. The notch lever lets you control the length in tiny jumps, and this is super important. If your clipper or beard trimmer doesn't have a lever, then please look out for the millimeter signs as we go on in this video. And the wire part comb, this has been my day one from when I was barbering. Great for detangling the beard. Now my beard at this point is at one length, a number 6, which is around 19 millimeters. So we're going to go from that length all the way down into 0 in sections. The first section is going to be a 0.5 millimeter, so no guard, lever fully open, and I'm taking that section straight up into where my barber faded my hair into a 0. Starting with a 0.5 makes the whole blend smoother and way easier from experience. Then I'm switching to corners of the blade with the lever halfway, going slightly higher than before, and then the lever fully closed, a touch higher again. Small movements, tiny steps, and already the fade starts to build. Now we're going with the number 4 guard, lever closed, which is around 13 millimeters, and anything above that comb comes off at an angle. This is where we start carving out that triangular shape that makes the beard look sharp and the jawline stronger. I'm going against the grain to take the hairs right from the root, because the hair grows downwards. I'm going to go against that, go upwards. And before we continue guys, if you're feeling this tutorial, please smash the like button and subscribe. In 2026 I'm going crazy with the videos for you. The more subs we have, the bigger and better the content gets. So please drop a comment as well. I read every single one of them and your feedback grows the channel. Now let's get back into how we hold the clipper. My hands are wrapped around the front. My thumb is by the lever, my forefinger is on top and the rest is on the sides. This gives me full control and lets the wrist move, so I can work at an angle without creating harsh lines. Then I'm going to use a number 3 guard, close the lever about 2 centimeters higher than the last guideline. Everything above the comb comes off, quick strokes but with confidence. Then moving on, we go to a number 2 with the lever open, about 2 centimeters above the last guide. Everything above the comb comes off. Then number 2 guard closed after that, going slightly higher than the previous section. Super important tip right here, in order for you not to create harsh lines, angle the trimmer at about 45 degrees. Push into the skin and then go straight up. No flicking out, you don't need it. Flicking out is for fading hair. And this is basically the reverse motion. This technique gives you a smooth, seamless blend into your next section. After that, the number 1 guard open, and this is where the fade really starts popping. I'm working really light, pushing in, so it blends super smooth. The lever is halfway now, slightly higher. And then the lever is closed, higher again. Corners of the blade. Here you're eyeballing, you're adjusting, and you're watching that blend melt together. If you have a half guard, then please use it. It blends the 1 into the 0.5 like butter. Open, corners of the blade, then you close it halfway, and then close again into the skin. Then with the razor we're going to clean that cheek line to make everything crisp and smooth and sharp. A shape up always makes the fade explode visually, and this will show any imperfections in the fade. So make sure you go over the dark areas if you see fit. This is one of our own razors called the Balance RX1. The link is in the description. I designed this for myself exactly how I wanted it, so you already know it delivers. Now just repeat the exact same process on the other side and trust it. You'll get that smooth, natural blend. Remember, one side might not be identical to the other, and that's fine. Just follow the steps, understand the method and take your time. As soon as you understand the method, you won't need this video and you can scrap this. You don't need to hear my voice anymore. And to finish everything off, I use some post-shave treatment. I'm using our Balanced Vitamin E Cologne. It's a face mist that instantly cools the skin and helps reduce irritation. Gives you that fresh feeling after a shave. Then I follow up with some balanced beard oil. I have really dry skin and this is now my daily moisturizer. It also softens the beard beautifully, adds a healthy natural shine and keeps that skin underneath nourished. And here's the final result, guys. The fade slims the face and the chin area stays thick, and we land that clean triangular shape that suits my face shape perfectly. Please try this at home and let me know how you get on. Comment down below, ask me anything and I'll try my best to answer. I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp and stay faded.